my name is Lisa Grace and this is Nailchemy's YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Okay, hi guys. Completely honest with you, I have not attempted this design. This is my first attempt and I'm looking forward to it. I think I know what I'm doing. Design wise, I mean. Just gonna wing it. Aren't we, Sam?
In your hands, Lorraine.
Literally. So I've done all my cuticle work. I've etched my nail plate. I've just come in with the nail prep, and now I'm using the Ultra Blonde. Oh, every time, Ultra Blonde. Jesus, the Ultra Bond Platinum. Always call it Ultra Blonde. Honestly.
Could they just rename it to
Yes,
Ultra Blonde
please.
Platinum?
Yes, please. Give that a minute to air dry. And then we can come in with our base coat. Make sure you get full coverage with that. Okay, so I'm pop that in the lamp for full cure, please. So I've already etched the inside of my tip. I just use a small e-file bit for that. I've already measured this up as well. Always measure up your tips before you apply your base coat. So I'm using the clear titanium builder gel, which is perfect for this.
I'm getting a full tip. Woohoo!
You like these, don't you?
I love them.
So I'm just going to do a thin coat all where the nail is going to go, and then I'm going to pop a blob right on the cuticle. So we can line this up. I'm going to come in at quite a high angle, get this in at the cuticle, and you can see the product moving down the nail. Hold it at the back, keep pressing until the product gets right to the tip of the nail, and then I'm going to keep hold of that and take Sam's hand into the lamp. Just hold on to it for maybe 5-6 seconds, and then I can slowly move my thumb away, and that's going to expose the back of the nail to the light. And it'll hold it all in place. Fabulous. Right, so let that stay in for a full cure. I have got my big old clear jelly stamper. Ooh. Hello, Nailchemy.
You got a mark on it, or is that
I got what?
lid?
It's the lid. Or maybe I have used it then. Oh, I think I obviously have, haven't I? Just not for a long time. Not for a while. Okay, so it is spring. Spring makes me happy. And of course, the perfect collection for spring.
Oh, this is one of my favourite collections as well.
Flower Power. It's just perfect. I mean, I think it's perfect all year round because they're my kind of colours. She says, with all black nails.
We all know that blue's your favourite colour.
Yes. Right, I'm just going to give this a quick buff, take off that shine. I always have, my nails are either always dark blue or black because of my hair and because I have a black soul, but we don't talk about that on camera, do we? Yeah, I'm always dyeing my hair, so I need to have dark colours on my nails. Right, so I am using, where is it?
What are you looking for?
Dove, it's behind me. I'm using Dove from the Prophecy range. This is the white. So I'm going to come in and do 2 thin coats of this. Okay, pop that one in for me, Sam. Full coat, full cure. Gee, I can't talk today. Right, so I'm going to kind of get these in an order that's going to flow. Purple to pink, purple to blue, green on the end, like that. That work? Yeah. Okay. Right, so on my stamper, in fact, let's get a second coat on this and then we can sort the stamper. Pray for me, guys. I hope this looks good. I was going to do a French tip with it. However, this is a very long nail and I don't think it's going to work. If it was a short nail, yeah, perfect. It works spot on. Or just do I do it? Don't pop that in. No, oh, I don't know. Oh, I'm just going to wing it.
Sorry, I'm going to have to change these.
Why?
Because the rainbow is in my head, so it's...
No, but it's not the song.
Green.
No, because no, right. Pink and green are not going to blend very well. I know the song. Sam, sit down and shut up, please.
I was having an OCD.
Please,
moment,
I know. It's not the official rainbow version as per the song. However, you try blending red into green. All right.
I've got an earworm now.
Well, thanks for sharing that. Right, bit of green. This is the groovy. And I'll whack some of this over here. And then into mellow yellow.
God, mellow yellow.
There's a new ear one for you.
It's got rid of the first earworm.
There. Oh, way too much. Way too much. And then into radiant, which is our orange. I always get grief for doing my rainbows like this. And I think, you know what? Who made the rules on the rainbow order? And you know, I'm all about breaking rules anyway, so I'm gonna do it my way. But look, pink and orange, look, they are gonna blend so nicely. And then into our purple. And then into the final one, which is Delight. And this is our blue. I love this blue. It's so pretty. So pretty. Right. Okay. Keep everything crossed for me, guys. Right. What I thought I was going to do. Let's make sure you're in camera. I'm going to come on like this. And just wiggle and smush. And come back a little bit, smush it a little bit more. A little bit more, do you reckon? Yeah. Oh, got it on your skin. That's why we have nails. Think a bit of a drag through?
I'm thinking you do what you want then.
It's a yes. I think maybe just a little bit too much product on the end here initially, so let's take that off. Oh, I like this. Just going to take that excess product off the end. Right, do I drag through or not, Sam? I need a decision.
Do it.
I'm just going to fill in some of these gaps down this side. Got a lint-free wipe in my hand. Oh, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. Right. Drag down and up and down and up and down. I need to come back up on that side. I need to drag that through there actually.
It's almost got a flame effect.
I was just going to say that. I am going to do something on the edge of this, by the way. A little bit too much. Always keep an eye on your product amount. there's too much, it's just not going to cure in the lamp. I probably put too much on my stamper. Oh yes, fierce flame. Something needs to happen up here. I think I need to pull some of this blue down into that purple.
This is when Lisa is at her best, when she's just...
Yeah, but hang on a minute. Right, so this is kind of supposed to be, don't think about it, just do it. And here I am like, oh, I need to do a little bit here and add a little bit more blue here.
But that's the creative side. That's when you're just like, I like it, but...
Just needs a little something, something.
Mm.
Oh, Sam.
I like it.
I was a little bit unsure at first, but it's not what I had in my head at all. But I like that. I like that. Like I say, it's like a neon flame, isn't it? Cool. Right, I'm just going to take... Can you see how we got a little bit of a bump on this corner? It's just where the product is gathering. So I'm just going to pat and pull, and I'll take that off. We do not want this bubbling in the lamp. Okay, Sam, give that a cure for me, please. Look at it. It looks so cool. So obviously you would that. I think the trick is to add less.
Yeah, you want tiny little bit less. But then again, you know, don't listen to me because I talk rubbish.
Yeah. Really like this.
It's pretty.
So pretty. Do I use some of these dots? I reckon I might use some. Can you see these little dots on here? Let me just focus the camera. These little bubbles. Alright, I might try and use some of those. Right, I'm going to take this off. And I'm going to pop that in the lamp. Focus, camera, focus. There you go. Right, I'm going to pop that in the lamp. Give that a cure. That big blob in the middle is far too thick. That's just going to bubble. It's not going to cure at all.
I'm having to put my hand in, sorry, to keep the light on.
So I was going to edge this nail with either black or silver or gold, but I think
them bubbles would be great.
Yeah. Add some of those. Oh, I love it when a plan that wasn't planned comes together. Sam, have you seen my glasses anywhere?
Yeah.
Not them ones. Ah, them ones. Not on my head. Different glasses. Right, okay, let's have a look at this now. So these are all cured now. So I think if we take them off, how many go on? We've not got many there.
You don't need many though.
Oh, tweezers. Where are my tweezers? Oh, some needlepoint tweezers. I know where they are. I stabbed myself with them earlier on. There they are. Right. So I'm going to pop a little bit of top coat on this nail. I might need to make some more of those bubbles. A bit of top coat just because I need something for these little bubbles to stick to. Oh, I love it already. Oh, Sam, I love it already. It's really weird applying cured gel polish onto a nail, but I'm here for it. Right, so because we're working in wet top coat, we can move these around to wherever we want them. So I'm just going to get them on the nail. I think I want some more of these bubbles.
No, you'd be going too far if you had too many.
No such thing as too far. Doesn't compute with me. I want some of these real world dinky ones. Do you reckon I could stamp them on and transfer them on? Should we give it a go? I'm going to have to cure this nail first though, otherwise it's not going to work. I'm going to get rid of that because that's no good. Why are we all blurry? There we go. I wonder if we could try stamping them on. Right, let's get this top coat sorted. Right, let's figure out where we're having these first. I want this down in this corner, I think. Don't overthink it, Lisa. Don't overthink it. I want to get rid of that bit that's attached to that. I don't like that. Get off. That's better. Right, Sam, pop that in the lamp for me, please. Just 10 seconds. And then I'm going to see if I can focus. See if I can get some of these off. Okay, take that out. I might need to pop something sticky on though. Let's just have a go. Oh no, it worked! It worked! Focus. Can you see them? They're so dinky. Oh, look at it! I'm so easily amused. I need some more of these dots.
No, you don't need more. There's no room left on my finger.
But Mum! Oh, look. Right, focus. Look how cute. It looks like little sprinkles. Right, so pop that into the lamp for me, please, Sam, for the rest of that cure, and that should hold them in place. And then we can top coat. Oh, I'm so doing more of these. This looks cool as well, but I don't think that has cured. No, you see
it was too thick.
Yeah, it's all uncured on the inside. But yeah, I need to play around with this a little bit more with curing gel polish in a design, and then see people do it all the time, doing the design on sculpting forms and then curing it and then cutting it up and applying it. Right, do I do a line? No, I think a line's going to ruin it. That's what I was going to do originally. That is top coat. Right, so I want to lock all of this in now. Give it a nice good top coat. Oh, I really like those bubbles. Yeah, this isn't at all what I'd planned to do in my head. But I'm here for it. I love it. A little bit of floof on there. Get that off. Fab. And then that can go in for a full cure, please, Sam. Okay, pop that one in. Right, so it is a little bit lumpy bumpy, obviously, because we've put bumps of gel polish on. So when that comes out, I'm going to give it a bit of a buff, try and smooth it out a little bit. And then we'll give it another top coat. Okay, we're all buffed up. Ready for our final top coat. Just smooth this out a little bit more. And then we can give it its final cure. Love those bubbles. Really, really love those bubbles. I'm going to have a lot of fun playing around with those. Okay, once we've got that, looks a lot smoother now. Obviously, you're still going to get the odd bump because, again, we have got lumps of gel polish on there. But that's a lot smoother now. Right, Sam, pop that in the lamp for me, please. Fabulous. Let's get some coconut elixir oil on this. Drop on the cuticle and give that a rub. And there you have it.
So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give us a little thumbs up, hit like on that video, drop any comments that you've got down in the comment section below, and more importantly, make sure you hit subscribe so that you get a notification for all of our future videos. All of the products that I've used today you can find on our website, which is nailchemy.co.uk, and I will see you in the next video.